Hey subbies, I am super excited to share with you how to make the most delicious microwave popcorn. I do like to make popcorn in a microwave popper with just the kernels, but microwave popcorn can be very convenient, especially when you're wanting to get into your movie or TV show binge watching. What you're going to need is some microwave popcorn. This is the Pop Secret Extra Butter. This is some ghee, which is just clarified butter. Some Parmesan cheese. And some garlic salt. Let's get into making the most delicious microwave popcorn you've ever eaten. The first step is we are going to pop our microwave popcorn. Once our microwave popcorn is popped, I'm going to show you how to turn it into the most delicious microwave popcorn that you have ever eaten. Now we are going to make our topping for our popcorn. We're going to put a couple of spoonfuls of ghee, or if you're using a larger spoon like this one spoonful will be fine because it's going to coat a lot of popcorn. And now once we have our ghee in our bowl, we're going to season it with some garlic salt. And we are going to microwave this for a little bit just to get it more fluid. Now that our ghee garlic salt mixture is melted and heated, we are going to assemble our popcorn. So we're going to open up our popcorn and layer it into the bowl so that everything will get perfectly covered. We're going to start with a layer of popcorn. We are going to add a little bit of our garlic and ghee mixture. Just drizzling it lightly over the popcorn. We're going to add some additional garlic salt. And we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And we're going to give it a light little toss to get everything perfectly coated. And we're going to repeat these layers until all of the popcorn is used up. So another layer of popcorn. I like to try to do this in 3 layers just so I get a really nice even coverage on the popcorn. We're going to do some more of our ghee garlic salt mixture. A little bit more garlic salt. And some more Parmesan cheese. We're going to give this layer a toss to nicely coat it. And we're going to do our final layer. So we're going to dump in the last layer of popcorn. There we go. We're going to do a layer of our garlic salt ghee mixture over the very top of the popcorn. We're going to add our final layer of garlic salt. And our final layer of Parmesan cheese. And that is how you make the best microwave popcorn. I hope you'll give this a try and you'll enjoy it just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching my how to make perfect microwave popcorn. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that this video has inspired you on how to make your popcorn perfect the next time that you make it. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful, fun upcoming videos that I have to share. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. I'd love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, and fantastic food photos. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, but what I love even more is being able to interact with each and every one of you incredibly inspirational individuals. Your tweets mean the world to me, and I treasure every one of them. The newest addition to my social media is my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. I share my newest YouTube videos on there as well as book reviews, so be sure to give the page a like. All of my social media can be found in the description box down below. I'd love for you to follow me. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in the next video. Bye, subbies.